Hi everyone. Welcome. In this additional of today's newspaper on a Monday, June the 15th, 2020. In this additional, we have Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 2 stars, with 3 stars, with 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic. Yes, total of 6 Sudokus to solve. Yeah, so the first one, this one is a Sudoku with a 1 star. So let's get started. Alright, let me see. A 1 in the third column, a 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 1 should be here. How about the 3 in this third row, 3 in the second row? So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Yes. Then 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers now. 2 numbers left in the first column. The numbers are the 7 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so in the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in the third column. The numbers are the 2 and the 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 1 box left for the 7 should be there, and here goes the 2. Then how about 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 3 goes there. Then 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 2 should be here. These 3 numbers, 1, 2, the 3 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3, 5, 4. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 3, 5, 4. Yeah. How about the 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only place for the 6 should be there. 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 3 and the 9. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 9 goes there. And I've told you these 3 numbers one of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for 3 should be there. 5 and the 4 are missing now. In this row, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between. The only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And then the 7 in this row, the 7 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Yeah, 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be here. 1 box left in this column should be number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so in the column between. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. These 2 numbers in this big square should be the 8 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this column should be number 2. Then how about yeah. How about the number? These 2 numbers in this row, the middle row, the missing numbers here, the 3 and the 7, no, 3 and the 9, 3 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 6. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here or there. I see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this first row for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. And then 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 1 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 2 should be here. $1 left in the middle column for the number 8. 8 is missing. I cannot see the 8 here, so this should be the 8. We have now let me see, 2 numbers left.